What is up, everyone? Lego Master Cole here, once again with another unboxing video. Before we start, I just want to say this package came from Zavvi, and if you use this referral code, you will get 10% off on your next order, and I will also put a link in the description that will do the same for you. So without further ado, let's unbox this package. I pre-ordered this one a while ago, and I've been waiting for it to come in. I've had the shelf cleared off even. I've got a spot specifically picked out of my detail for it, next to my Lego Slave one. So, let's see how good this Hasbro Slave one is. I've heard a lot about the detail on the back of it. That's what they improved the most. Because I've got the old version. They've updated the paint job completely, but the back of it, they have a new mold for it. It's a new sculpt entirely. They took out a lot of the like screws and mechanics of it and made it more detailed and accurate to the film. So I'm excited to see that. Here we go. Oh, the box is cool. As you can see, it replicates the artwork of the original vintage Slave 1. And here's they feature the back of the ship on the box because they know that's the selling point. Especially for me, that was the selling point. I really wanted one that had that beautiful back paint job. Because the other one was like a flat gray or something, and I just didn't like that as much. So let's see here. And it comes with a stand now. The original did not come with a stand. The stand is also very important to me. There's a few selling points, but the stand and the back of the ship were the main ones. It's a nice box. I really like the box this comes in. Set that down. Sorry you guys can't see this part, but I'm just sliding out this tray. So it just all slides out as a tray like this. And then we open it up. You got some decals. I'm not going to mess with that. Oh, these look so much more detailed. So these are the little wings that go on the side of the ship. I've been more excited for this because I ordered it before Boba Fett even appeared in The Mandalorian. And ever since that happened, I've been more hyped because we've seen so much Slave 1 in The Mandalorian. So it's so nice to see the Slave 1 back in all its glory and seeing the interior of it. It's so cool. So here's the main part of the ship. Wow, look at that paint job on the back. They got the engine lights. They got all the weathering. It's beautiful. This is such a beautiful model. I love it. I knew I would. Anything Boba Fett, I'm going to be a sucker for. I'm so excited for when they start doing merch for the Mandalorian version of Boba Fett. I've already pre-ordered the Hot Toys one, so I'm excited to get that one in. It's going to be a long time. It's a long wait, but it'll be worth it. And look how clear that is. It's got a little bit of tinting to it, but not much. Just slightly tinted, ever so slightly. That'll just pop in place on the ship. I'll do that in a second. These are the instructions and the decals. We're going to put those aside. I do not want to mess with decals today. Maybe later, probably not, probably never. Alright, so this is the stand, I believe. Yeah, the stand, really sick. It's got the Mythosaur skull on it. How could you not love that? Look at that. Very clear, meant to look like the ship's in its flying position. It comes with this weird capsule thing, just like the original one did, the other Vintage Collection one. I don't know what the purpose of this is. I'll never see it, never have any use for it probably. But it's neat, it's something extra. I guess you put his bounty in there, and you put that in the cargo hold. Whatever. Alright, so this part here just pops in this little slot here. Let's see. Get it in there. Come on. It's a little difficult. I don't want to break anything. There we go. It just snaps in place. And then this pops in place up here. There we go. Now that's in place. Look at that. Oh, we got some more little things. I think the little turrets. Yeah. Oh, Hanan Carbonite. Forgot it came with that. This is a really nice version of Hanan Carbonite. It's actually got colors on the panels meant to replicate the lighting that comes off of the panels. That's really cool. My favorite sound effect in all of Star Wars comes from these little guys, the seismic charges. So cool. Love the seismic charges. I believe these pop into the back somewhere. Yeah, there's a little slot here, and there's buttons to release them. So they just pop into the back of the ship. Like so. All these little panels on the side of the ship open up so you can see the interior of Slave 1. That's pretty cool. There are some decals that are already applied on the inside of the ship. I'm not going to apply any more, just the ones that come with it are fine. And these go, let's see, is there a certain way they're supposed to go? I think not. We'll see. We'll find out. I didn't read the instructions because screw that. I just didn't feel like reading instructions again. I've done one of these. So I see where the top of it's supposed to be. Is there a way to rotate this one? Because the other one rotates. I'm not sure if this one locks in place or what. Because it doesn't have like a handle. I'm going to assume this pops in like that. Alright, why is it not wanting to pop in? If it has to do with the seats again, then that'll be interesting. So the seats do move. I don't know how to release them. I don't remember what button it is. There's something you twist or push that releases the seats. I might have to pull up the instructions, sorry. They've changed a little bit of the hardware on this guy. Some sort of mechanic here. Alright, let's look at the instructions. Unfortunate that we have to use the instructions, but the ship is so complicated with how these wings move, because the wings will move into this position where they're out, and in the resting position where it's landed. So let's look at the instructions and see what causes that. And I think there's a specific way you have to place them on the ship. It's not just like a pop and play, it's like they have to be placed in a specific way. Alright, there's the decals. Oh my gosh, it just shows them being pushed in. Yeah, it just shows them being pushed in, and then you rotate the wings, and that's what causes the chair to move. So you just push them in. Okay. I was just afraid of messing it up, but apparently that's all you do. Let's see here. It's meant for a kid, I guess, but man, I'm dumb, so I'm a big kid. Can't figure these toys out. Come on. So weird. Okay, yeah, the wings, look at that. The chairs are moving now. That's cool. So they were in that position, but when you push the wings in, you're able to manipulate the chair's position. This top part's not want to go in. Come on. This does not want to go in. Pull this out. There's more assembly than I thought there'd be, but it's not bad. I mean, it's a big ship. It's a really good size. I like the sizing of it a lot. I'm very impressed by the sizing of it overall. Oh, that's sick. Now we just gotta put the turrets on, and pretty much the assembly's done, as far as I'm concerned, because I'm not gonna do any of the decals, like I mentioned. Maybe later. I just don't think they add much. I think most of them are interior. The exterior of the ship is fully painted, so you don't have to worry about that. It's a horrible noise that was making. I hate that. Alright, keep that closed. How does this rest on here? I might have to look at the instructions again to see how the stand works. Oh wait, I might just wedge in there. I feel like there should be a way it holds it. Oh, that's beautiful. It rests perfectly right there. Look at that. That's how we're gonna rest it. Perfect, perfect. That is really cool. I like how they designed that to just rest on there. I thought it was gonna be like a clip or something that goes into the ship, but no, it's just resting on there. I'm gonna have to set that on the desk and show you guys what it looks like resting. These little turrets also come with missiles. I don't care for missiles. But if you want to have that little play functionality, you can. Especially if you're like have a kid that wants to play with it. That's totally chill. It's nice that they give that option, but I think they look more accurate without that in them. Just a little bit. They're not perfect, but hey, they work. Alright, I'm going to set this on my desk here. And I'll show you guys what it looks like resting. So looks like it's flying. Slave I's flying, taking off. So cool, so cool. All right, let's see here. And there it is in all its glory. Oh, the side panel's opened up. Ah. Yeah, but this is going to look so good in my DTOF. Hopefully the shelf is tall enough. I estimated that it was, because I made a shelf that was a little bit taller than they standardly come. I added some pieces to custom make the unit taller. That's cool. It's a very beautiful ship. Highly recommend this product. Hasbro did an amazing job on this. And like I said, if you want to order it from Zavvi.com, go ahead and use that code. Get your 10% off. They should still have these up for pre-order or in stock even, since they shipped mine. I'm not sure. Mine was a pre-order, and like I said, I ordered it before The Mandalorian even. But here's the promo code one more time if you decide to order from Zavvi, and I'll put a link below if you don't want to type in stuff. Let's get a closer look at that Han before we go. I want to show you guys the lights. They did only one panel, I think, but it's really nice. There's yeah, there we go. Some blue and a little bit of red, black, some red on this one. Yeah, this side's completely silver. But they did it on 2 of the panels, which is nice. That extra detail really makes it pop. More so than any Han and carbonate thing I've seen that comes with one of these. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, may the Force be with you.